Now, Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow has admitted that the senior men's team has not been good enough over the last 12 months. The Windies won only 1 of 10 test matches in 2025 and also lost 3 of 5 one-day international series and 2 of 7 T20 series in the year. Speaking on the Mason Guest show, Shallow says no one is blameless for the team's poor results.
We understand where we are in global cricket. We have not achieved the level of success that we want, certainly not at the pace we want. And we have seen glimpses of really great performance by our team, whether it was in Australia or Pakistan. There have been lows, lows that we are all very disappointed in because there were opportunities when we believe we could have won matches and series that we haven't. And yes, there must be collective responsibility, including the head coach, Darren Sammy. Players have to take responsibility as well, the board.
In the meantime, the Cricket West Indies president also revealed that there will be a review of the current selection system. Cricket West Indies had implemented a system that gave the head coach all the power in the selection process.
Nothing we do is cast in stone, including our selection system that we have established. We did say that we are committed to reviewing that at some point. As a board, we made a decision that we are going to give it a try. We are going to see if it works. And we're going to have a point where we review it as well.
Do you think it's working?
I don't think that our selections would be much different. Okay. We have been selecting teams with a different system over the years.
Okay.
And we haven't enjoyed or celebrated any great success either.
The West Indies will next be in action on January 19 when they take on Afghanistan in the first of 3 T20 internationals.